Hey guys, how are you? Hope you all are very fine. I am Kinjal Sonchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel CStudyZone. This is the 12th tutorial of probability, chapter 15th of standard 10th. In last session, we discussed about example 5 and in this session, we will discuss about example 6. So, don't waste the time, go to the session. Today's topics are basic formula of probability, answer of last homework, year, week and day explanation for probability, example 6 and obviously homework. So starting with the first is basic formula. Probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes. Go to the next, it's homework answer. First question is how many total days are there in a year? So there are total 365 days in year. Second, how many total days are there in a leap year? So there are total 366 days in a leap year. Third question, Savita and Hamida are friends. What is probability that both will have first different birthdays and second the same birthdays? Now you should ignore leap year, means you should take 365 days as total outcomes. Got it? Now we are going to discuss about it. So go to the next. It's year, week and day explanation for probability. First question, how many total days are there in year? There are total 365 days in a year. Second, how many total weeks are there in a year? So there are total 52 weeks in a year. Third, how many total days in a week? There are total 7 days in a week. Fourth question, what is the leap year? A leap year is a year in which an extra day is added to the Gregorian calendar, which is used by most of the world. Now fifth question, how many total days are there in leap year? So there are total 366 days in leap year. And sixth question, how many total weeks are there in leap year? So there are total 52 weeks and added 2 days extra, right? If you have any question about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Now go to the next. It's example 6. Savita and Hamida are friends. What is probability that both will have first different birthdays and second the same birthdays? Now ignoring leap year means you should take 365 days as total outcomes. So starting answer here we should find the probability about birthdays. So birthday means we talk about day, not week or not year. So total days in a year equals to 365. We should ignore leap year, right? And possible outcomes for first different birthdays. Different birthday for both friends Savita and Hamida. If Hamida's birthday is different from Savita, then possible outcomes equals to 365 minus 1 because Hamida's birthday is single day and total days are 365. So 365 minus 1 equals to 364. So probability of different birthdays equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 364 divided by 365. Now second, in the same birthday. So I am giving you guidance that same birthday means same day. Same day means single day, right? So possible outcomes equals to 1. It is just guidance. Now you should write in homework. So go to the next. It's homework time. First question, Savita and Hamida are friends. What is the probability that both will have the same birthday? Ignoring leap year, right? Second question, Savita and Hamida are friends. What is the probability that both will have different birthdays? Second, the same birthday in leap year means 366 days. And third question, a box contains 3 blue, 2 white and 4 red marbles. If a marble is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be first white, second blue and third red? Best of luck guys for the homework and thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Bye-bye.